Here in example 9 we have given divide 207 in 3 parts such that all parts are in arithmetic progression and product of two smaller part is 4623. तर आपल्याला काय करायचं इथं 207 207 हा जो नंबर आहे आपल्याला याचे 3 पार्ट करायचे आणि 3 पार्ट करताना आपल्याला ते पार्ट अर्थमॅटिक प्रोग्रेशनमध्येच असले पाहिजे. ही एक आपल्याला कंडिशन दिलेली आहे. दुसरी कंडिशन आपल्याला प्रॉडक्ट ऑफ द टू स्मॉलर पार्ट. आता इथे जे 3 पार्ट होतील याच्यामधले आपल्याला 2 स्मॉलर पार्ट जे असतील त्यांचा प्रॉडक्ट म्हणजेच गुणाकार आपल्याला किती आला पाहिजे 4623 4623. Now we will take that 3 parts are a minus d, a and a plus d. Suppose three parts of 207 are. First part is a minus d, this is smaller part. Then again next part is a and third part is a plus d. Here is these 3 parts are in arithmetic progression. Here is difference of d between any two consecutive term. कुठल्याही 2 consecutive term जर घेतले आपण तर इथं आपल्याला कितीचा डिफरन्स दिसतो d चा डिफरन्स दिसतो. a plus d minus a इथं सुद्धा d आहे आणि a minus a minus d तर a minus a plus d इथं सुद्धा आपल्याला d एवढाच डिफरन्स दिसतो. Here common difference is d. इथं कॉमन डिफरन्स किती आहे आपल्याला d आहे. बाय गिवन कंडिशन आपल्याला कुठली कंडिशन दिलेली आहे नेक्स्ट प्रॉडक्ट ऑफ टू स्मॉलर पार्ट इज 4620. सो हियर प्रॉडक्ट ऑफ टू स्मॉलर पार्ट is 4623. So two smaller part as a minus d and a. So here we will write a minus d into a equal to 4623. Now multiply by a into a, that is a square minus ad equal to 4623. This is our first equation. Now sum of these 3 part is 207. Sum of 3 parts is 207. So now take the sum of 3 part, that is a minus d plus a plus a plus d equal to 207. Now a plus a plus a, this will be 3a minus d and plus d will get cancel. Here my 3a equal to 207. So a will be equal to 207 divided by 3. So this will be 3 1s are 3, 3 6s are 18. Then 3 9s are 27. So here a is equal to 69. Put this value in equation first. Put a equal to 69 in equation first. So we will get a square is 69 square minus 69 into the value of d equal to 4623. Here square of 69 is 4761 minus 69d will be equal to 4623. Now minus 69d equal to 4623 minus 4761. So minus 69d will be equal to 4623 and minus 4761. So here is 8, again carry 6 minus 3 is 3, 7 minus 6 is 1. This is 138 with negative sign. So this will be minus 138. So d will be equal to minus 138 divided by 69 minus 69. This will be 138 divided by 69. Here we can divide by 3. 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9. Here 3 4 is 12 and 3 9 is 3 6 is 18. 3 6 is 18. Now 23 and this is 2. So the value of d is equal to 2. Here we get the value of a. Also we have the value of d. So we can write that 3 parts. So a minus d will be equal to 69 minus 2, which will be 67. A that will be equal to 69 and a plus d will be 69 plus 2. This will be, so these 3 parts are. So these 3 parts are, first part is 67, 69 and 71. There are 37 terms in an AP. The sum of the 3 term placed exactly the middle is 225 and sum of the last 3 terms is 429. Write the arithmetic progression. काय दिलेलं आहे आपल्याला? देर आर 37 टर्म इन AP. एक AP आहे, AP मध्ये 37 टर्म्स आहेत. Then we have given the sum of the 3 terms placed exactly the middle. ह्या ज्या 37 टर्म्स आहेत, या टर्म्सच्या एक्झॅक्टली मिडलला ज्या 3 टर्म्स येतील त्यांची सम आपल्याला दिलेली आहे 225. त्यानंतर परत आपल्याला दिलेले आहे द सम ऑफ द लास्ट 3 टर्म इज 429. देन वी हॅव टू राईट द AP. आता जर पाहिलं आपण, here we have given total terms are 37 terms. To find the middle term, what we have to do? We have to add 1 and divided by 2. Then we will get the exact middle term. Then we will write the exact 3 middle term. So middle term of 37 terms. So there are total 37 terms. 37 is odd number, so we will add 1 and divided by 2. So this will be 38 by 2 and this is 19. So 19 term is middle term. 19 term is exact middle term. So exact 3 middle term will be equal to 18 term, 19 term and 20th term. So middle exact middle 3 terms are 18th, 19th and 20th terms. Here we have given sum of these three terms is 225. So here we have given T18 plus T19 plus T20 equal to 225. This is given to us. So T18 आपण कशी लिहू शकतो? कुठलीही टर्म लिहिताना आपण अर्थमॅटिक प्रोग्रेशन जर पाहिलं आपण तर फर्स्ट टर्म आपली ए असते, सेकंड टर्म आपली ए प्लस डी म्हणजे सेकंड टर्मला एक डी असतो, थर्ड टर्मला आपल्याला ए प्लस 2d असतो. म्हणजे ज्या नंबरची टर्म असते त्याच्यापेक्षा डीची संख्या एकनं कमी असते. म्हणून T18 कसा लिहू शकतो आपण? दिस इज ए प्लस 17d प्लस ए प्लस 18d प्लस a plus 19d which will be equal to 225, where a is first term and d is common difference. Now a plus a plus a, this will be 3a plus 17 plus 1, this will be 18, 18 into 3, that will be 54, 54d which will be equal to 225. Here we can divide by 3. Divide by 3, we get, here we can get 3a upon 3, that is a, plus 54 divided by 3, this will be 3 1s are 3, 3 8s are 24, d equal to 3 7s are 21 and 3 5s are 15. So this is our equation number first. Now we will find the last three terms. Last three terms are, total terms are 37. So we will have 35, 36 and 37. These are the last three terms. So last three terms are T35, T36 and T37. We have given sum of these three terms is 429. So T35 plus T36 plus T37 equal to 429. So T35 will be a plus 34d plus this will be a plus 35d plus a plus 36d which will be equal to 429. So this will be a plus a plus a, this will be 3a again plus 34 plus 35 plus 36, this will be 105 d which will be equal to 429. Here we can also divide by 3. divide by 3. We get, here we will get a plus, this will be 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15, d equal to 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12 and 3 3s are 9. So this is our second equation. Now from first and second we can find the value of a and d. Here we will subtract equation 1 from 2. Subtract equation first from second. Write the second equation, a plus 35d equal to 143, a plus 18d will be equal to 75. Change the signs, a will get cancelled, then 35 minus 18, 15 minus 8 will be 7, again 3 minus 2 will be 1, 17d equal to this 13 minus 5, this will be 8, again 14 minus 8 will be 6, and the value of d will be equal to 68 divided by 17, this will be 4. The value of d is 4. Now find the value of a. Put d equal to 4 in equation 1. A plus 18d equal to 75. Put d equal to 4. A plus 18 into 4 equal to 75. So a plus 72 equal to 75. So a will be equal to 75 minus 72, which will be equal to 3. So here we have a equal to 3 and d equal to 4. So here t1 will be equal to a, and that is 3. t2 a plus d, that is 3 plus 4, which is 7. t3 will be equal to again t2 plus d, which is 7 plus 4, and this will be equal to 11, and so AP is here 3 7 11 and so on.